my god. Please.
Plum paste filled candy.
Yeah, there we go. I burped. I was gonna say it.
Yellowy. That tasted and felt like death.
Beat that. Cherry. Oh my god, that got so good. Okay.
Air bubble in there and just let it rise up.
Next beer. So you're on a guy.
Finished.
Good.
I came.
Jesus, titty fucking Christ.
Sorry.
Stay on top of the tree. Because reasons. Jesus.
Ah, Slovenia. Again.
Okay, don't. Okay. We should drink more first.
No, your lack of confidence in me is really.
Oh, that was me.
That was a burp.
Alright.
And when you're ready.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there.
Time.
The new version. So apparently.